RVSN stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And as I'm observing Rail Vision stock, we're sitting at 108. It's like 109 actually. You know, it's here there like 1 cent. It fell down 5% on Friday. More so last week's performance was a little bit of bigger retracement, just 31% down. As I'm looking at this, it's just like hovering around $1, you know, because it was below the pumped up. And honestly speaking, I'm all about these pumps. But obviously I think if they were now if they were not above $1, they were getting delisted. Coming into here, the only thing that I really think like care about right now is the price actually giving me a proper shift. Unless I see that double break, then there's just no way for me to force anything. So I'm obviously going to continue to keep you updated. If there's like a second wave and second cycle of this, I'll be getting involved as long as the price shows me the proof. You know, I'm just jumping in on now, already moving 60 miles per hour bandwagon. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.